Hi, I'm Marcia from Guardair, and this is the HydroForce Power Washer. Combining the power of compressed air and standard municipal water, the HydroForce generates a powerful turbulent air-water jet stream, perfect for heavy-duty cleaning. Squeeze the trigger to control the air-water stream, then shut off the water, and activate the trigger for air-only drying. The HydroForce is ideal for cleaning floors, heavy machinery, marine equipment, tanks, and storage areas. And because the HydroForce runs on compressed air and has no external power package, no electricity or gasoline is required. The HydroForce features a rugged ergonomic handle. With a 3/4 inch FMPT compressed air inlet and a standard female garden hose connection. The HydroForce also includes a fully adjustable auxiliary handle for secure, two-handed operator control. The HydroForce is available with heavy-duty stainless steel extensions ranging from 24 to 48 inches. The safety tip nozzle ensures that the HydroForce meets OSHA safety standards.